Hi everyone, this is Hanan, founder of myhothoods.com. Today I'm going to give you a little tutorial to show you how to create an audio pin. We also refer to them as sound pins. Take a look at the Hot Hoods app right to the left of Facebook. We're going to choose that. And as the app opens, it takes us straight to the map and shows my location. I'm in the village of Pelham, New York right now. There happens to be an audio pin right next to me. Also, there are others scattered throughout. If we zoom out a little bit, we see clusters. Let's go to the bottom. Do you see map? Next to it is add an audio pin. Touch that. Let's start with the image. Take photo. I am looking at the gazebo right now next to the town hall. Right here is Fifth Avenue, Pelham, some of the apartment buildings here and stores. And if I turn all the way around, you can see the train station. This is the Village of Pelham train station. Let's make a complete 360. And I'm going to choose the gazebo. I prefer to take the image in this direction rather than landscape. I feel like the final product is a little bit better. So I'm going to take an image. I'm going to choose the gazebo with the town hall and flag right here. I'm going to zoom in a tiny bit. There you go. Use this photo. Now I will title this Town Hall. Town Hall. It's already clear that we're in Pelham and the address is right there. If we go down a bit, there is the description. Again, I'm going to say Village of Pelham. Done. It's not letting me save until I record a little bit of audio. My audio will not go through because I can't use the microphone for two different apps at the same time. But you see you have 30 seconds to record. Later I'll come back and I'll fix this recording. I'm going to stop the recording. I like the image. I'm going to save. Before I save, let me show you how to edit the location. So if you touch edit, it takes you to the map again, and you don't actually move the pin. What you do is the orange pin is where you're going to drop, the coordinates where you're going to drop this new sound. You move the entire map around to decide where you want to be. I am going to put the pin right here next to the previous one, so it's on slightly different coordinates. Set up location, and I'm going to save my new audio pin. And there you go. Congratulations. You have successfully created a new audio pin on the map. Voila. Let's go back to the map. Our audio pin is loading. And there you go. You've got two audio pins right around each other. If we zoom in, we see the separate ones. Let's look at the new one we just created. And there it is. What a pretty picture. That was the how to create an audio pin tutorial. Thanks for watching.